Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today video Alpine A108. The Alpine A108 was launched at a Paris Motor Show in autumn 1957, but production volumes were low and the company's principal offering continued to be the older 106 model until 1960. The Alpine 106 had taken its name from the first three digits of the four-digit homologation number of the old Renault 4CV on which the car was based. Applying the same logic, the new car should have been called 109 because it used mechanical components from the newer Renault Dauphine, which was registered under the French homologation number 1090, but instead the new car, which inherited many of its non-mechanical components from the 106, was given the name Alpine 108. In this form, where the 106 had used an engine from the Renault 4CV, the new model has launched in 1957 used the Gordini version of the 845cc engine fitted in the Dauphine. The Dauphine was launched 1960, saw the introduction of an Alpine 108 Cabriolet and a 2+2. These versions were slightly longer than the original and featured newly developed beams and backbone chassis with the beams at each end supporting cradles which carried respectively the engines at the rear and the steering mechanism at the front. This basic architecture would be used of Alpine sports car until the Alpine A110 was phased out in 1977. The mechanical elements were as before with the Renault Dauphine engine offered in 845cc or 904cc form. By the time production of the 108 came to an end in 1965, fewer than 100 of these legendary versions had been produced. The 108 played an important part in the transformation of Alpine into a mainstream, though always low-volume car producer. The Alpine A108 was a lightweight glass fiber body rear engine two-door produced for a young competition-oriented dive-based dealer called Jean Radar. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for